In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the road marking and some stoplight and the cap end here, you see. To do that, we need to use the prop at spline point. We need to use the prop at spline point system. Click on the plus sign to add a new prop at spline point and name it road marking. And in the road mesh field, search for road marking. You can see that it spawned it at each span point, but this one should be reversed, so you have to come to reverse start and check it. Now we got it. Now let's see how we can add some cap to the median mesh. Add a plus, click on the plus sign to add a new one. By the way, the prop as point manager allows you to add to spawn mesh at each spline point of the road, so it can be used to terminate some section of the road like you see here. So let's add it to median cap. Set our road mesh to use median cap. Nothing, you can see that it's appearing here, but remember that this one is using a segment, and the segment name tag is median, so we need to set the road prop system to segment and use the road segment tag as a median. Now it's spawned it here, and you have to check reverse start. So you have this one. You can change the length of the segment or the spacing of the segment, so you have a good segment here. Let's do it. Let's set this to, so now it is better. Note, set it to road so that it will always use roads. Now we can add some traffic lights. Set the name to traffic light at left or right. Let's start with right, and come to the road mesh field and search for stoplight. Use B for example. Oh no, set to A, not this one too. Yeah, let's use this one. Okay, I think I will use this one, and set the offset to the right offset to the right offset will offset it on the right direction, and the forward offset will offset it in the forward direction. So let's use the right offset and set to minus, I think, no, it should be the positive value. So, and add a rotation here. Basically, when this road spawn, the road that is coming here should have this traffic lights looking at it. You can add multiple traffic lights like this, and set it to the mesh randomization type to per mesh blueprint. Now we need to add we need to set that this one should only appear at this position. To do that, we come to spline point and add 2 slots because it is 2 spline points. The hood has only 2 spline points, and for the first spline point we should have add checked, and the second one will remove it, so it will not spawn. I hope you can see it. Now we need to add the second traffic line that will be spawned at this position. Just copy the last one and in the line point check add and check add here. Now we need to offset it in the second. And the rotation must be yeah. So the road that come in here will see this traffic light. So that is how you add traffic light and some road marking and some cap mesh.